Hey, let me confirm we are live. Hi guys, this is Dr. Nancy Lee, a director of product featured in Forbes. I've helped 100 people land their dream PM job offer in FAANG companies and unicorn startup and continue to get promoted as a product leader. If interested in product management course, go to drnancylee.com and learn more. And right now, we should be live on YouTube and LinkedIn. If you're live with me, comment on the chat, say hi on both YouTube and LinkedIn. Let me go to both platforms and confirm I'm live. Sometimes there's technical issues. The most funny part is even all of us work in tech, and then there will be technical issues, and we don't know why sometimes. Okay. Go to both platforms. Cool. I believe I am live. Da-da-da. Yes, I'm live on both platforms. Let me see. Yes, yeah, hit the like button. I think I can see some actions here. Hit the like button and comment in the chat, say hi. And also tell me what's your name, where you're from. So I want to see what's everybody doing. And if you like, tell me your background as well. Come on the chat. Sahil, hello. Oh, from YouTube. YouTube is faster for people to tune in now. Awesome. Does Sahil and Toddy and Steve are how are you? Yes, come on the chat on LinkedIn, tuning live from LinkedIn. Okay, from Detroit, seeking a new PM work opportunities. Welcome. Awesome. So we have lots of people here. This is great. Awesome. Great. Cool. So in that case, we confirm we're live and with both the people engaging on both platforms. Salmon and from Pakistan. This is awesome. What time is it in Pakistan right now? It's at midnight? Cool. And today we're also doing live resume review. Here is what we plan to do. And let me go through the deck very quickly, go through today's agenda. Then we can get started with our live resume review. We also have someone live on Zoom with me. And I'm going to share with you guys regarding how you're able to receive live resume review from me. So let me do this. Let me share my slides. Today, we'll cover how to 10 times your opportunities landing PM interviews by reviewing your resume live. Let me go through the agenda today and show you how to submit your live resume review. Can you guys see my screen? I think you should be able to see my screen right now. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so now let's do live resume review. And before we do this, let me share some inspiring stories. And actually, this one, my student Matthew. Matthew was actually doing product design. He actually has no degree. He didn't went to college at all. And now he has been a product manager at Trimble, which is also a medium-sized company. When Matthew was part of the PM Accelerator program, he actually already had 11 years at Microsoft doing product design. You might be thinking, oh, why someone with Microsoft couldn't easily land a PM job? Yeah, you're right, because it's very competitive. He's competing with someone from Google, Meta, layout PMs, and his background was in product design, not in product management. So the entire job market wasn't really favoring his background, but he has various of making this transition. Eventually, recently, actually this summer, he became a senior product manager at Trimble. Very, very exciting for him to continue to grow his career. And now, let me show you how he did it. The most important thing what Matthew did is he rewrite his resume with us. Something surprised me is for designers' resume, it looks very fancy, very different. Only talk about amazing things he designed in the past, but not the type of technical terms for product managers. So we immediately rewrite his resume, which today I'm going to show you guys regarding how you can rewrite your resume as well. Now, the second thing he did is product portfolio. So we need to rewrite his entire product portfolio to make it more product focused. He also started his side project, which is his own startup. Very, very exciting. And then turned that into a product portfolio, and now he's working full-time in his senior product manager job, and also working on his startup on the side, because his part-time product portfolio actually turned out to be something very exciting, and potentially can receive some fundings from VC. So that's where he is right now. So I believe all of you guys can become a product manager as well. So using the right strategy. So follow the same strategies. Let's starting from today's resume review strategy, share with all of you guys today. And also quick reminder, everybody who is currently interviewing with any kind of tech companies, make sure to go to this website, darknessly.com/50fan, to download all the latest interview questions database. Now, even if you're not interviewing with fan company, but these non-fan companies trying to copy the same kind of interview questions in fan companies, okay? So you should definitely use the same methodology to practice. So now let me put the link in the chat. Then you guys can download it yourself as well. Yeah, feel free to put your questions in the chat. I see lots of chat here. Hold on, let me see who else is here. Steve in LA. Wow, that's your like 8 a.m. right now. Just complete my AI certification from MIT, updating your resume. This is awesome. We're having skill session is important. Yes, it is important. Sahel. Hi, Dr. Nancy. I'm a student looking to get into product management. I have 2 projects working on, and experience working in marketing with local businesses. So I have a brand ambassador role. Hello. This is awesome. Very hard time getting interview opportunities. And only time, but you're sure how we can stand out from former interviews. Yeah, we'll cover more regarding how to stand out from the interviews, especially landing more interview opportunities today. Awesome. Let me see who else is here. We have 7, 8 p.m. Oh, it's 8 p.m. your time. This is cool. Manifa, live resume review. Yes, you can see my screen. Awesome. Okay, great. So now, yeah, please comment on the chat. I can see everything. Now let's continue. So you have all the links, and now here is important slides. Here is how you can receive free live resume review from me. Okay, when I'm not live, email info@pmaccelerator.io. When I am live, email nancy@darknessly.com right now. Okay, so if you already email my team info@pmaccelerator.io, she should already send you an email which was all the Zoom information, such as right now we have someone on guest on Zoom with me right now. Okay, so that's where you get Zoom information. So when we are live right now, directly email me at nancy@darknessly.com with your resume. Okay. And also tell you guys, whoever get prioritized for resume review, whoever attend this masterclass. So we actually have free masterclass where we teach you how to learn how to create a killer product portfolio in 2 weeks. They'll land you PM job offer, and even if you don't have confidence, a tech degree, or PM experience. So this is important for people with PM experience or without PM experience, because there are 2 different type of product portfolio you need to use based on different kind of background. Which in my masterclass, I give you different kind of live examples and screenshot of other people's product portfolio for people with experience and without experience. So therefore, make sure to check it out and learn more over there. Okay, so now, before people join the masterclass, we give people free resume review, because after the masterclass, we want you to have the resume ready, also have your product portfolio ready, and you can go out to land your PM job offers. So before you come in, we want to make sure you have resume ready. So that's why we prioritize people who already registered masterclass, and then you can directly apply for jobs after you finish it. Okay, so when you email me, make sure to include the date you register for the masterclass. So we are going to go through as many resumes as possible today, but we prioritize people who is part of masterclass because you're going to have your resume ready, product portfolio ready. Okay, so that's so make sure you email me with a date you register. If you have extra time, we can review people's resume for whoever didn't register. But anyway, so let me put it here. What is the masterclass? Go to darknessly.com, this website, and /masterclass, or go to my homepage, just darknessly.com. There's a big button in the middle. You come and find the time that works best for you, and then let me know when did you register, or you registered in the past also counts as well. Just check the time the most suitable for you. Okay, right here, just nancy.com homepage, and then there's a button, go to this page. Okay, so now let me do this. Let me have your cool. So now it's time to review resume. Hold on. Right here. So now let me pull up people's resume. Yeah, feel free to email me right now. I can pull up your resume. Hold on. Let me go through here. Yes, feel free to email me your resume right now. Here it is. What we do. Okay, yeah, email me at nancy.nancy.com, and then we can get started with your live resume review. Let me put it in the chat. Nancy. On LinkedIn and YouTube. You can directly email me live. Cool. Okay, now here is what we do, and let me bring this one. Okay, that's Marie Angel. Okay, let me share your resume here. Let me share the screen. Hold on, let me go to a different screen sharing. Let me show my screen. Okay. Now, can you guys see my screen? Okay, so this is one of our masterclass attendees. Let me read your resume right now. Let me see. You're already senior product manager. This is a cool 12 years experience. Da, da, da. Increase. Da, 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 da. Are you looking for Maria, are you looking for senior PM roles or director of PM roles? You're a product manager for Uber Eats. Maybe you're looking for senior PM. What level are you talking about? No, I think you only qualify for senior because in the past you're more doing product owner or sales operation manager. Yeah, you only qualify for senior PM. That's it. So you are at Uber Eats, different. On standardized global. If you're looking for senior PM role, you need to add one more bullet point regarding product strategy or go-to-market strategy. Okay, for any PM roles, senior PM roles, you need to define strategies. You're missing PM keywords regarding strategy. You should add one more bullet point, and looks like you're also missing roadmap. Why senior PM is not working on roadmap? I don't see roadmap. You write requirement, but senior PM need to manage roadmap and define product strategy. That's the main thing you're missing on your resume for senior PM roles. Okay, the rest. Product owner roles is fine. Product owners and you're doing PRD, that's fine. But for PM, senior PM need to write more regarding your product roadmap. So that's the main thing you roadmap and strategies. That's the main thing you are missing. Okay, so now let me go to the next one. Okay. Swapia, and you didn't tell me when did you attend the master class or register master class. Let me know, okay? Let me prioritize other people's first. Okay, let me see. Resume, hold on. Who is this resume? Monifa? Okay, cool. Now, Monifa, let me bring up your resume. Wow, your resume is surprisingly long and disorganized. Okay, let me share my screen. Long and disorganized. This is too long. Nobody will read this. And there's no prioritization in what you write here. We don't like it. Monifa, you are doing portfolio integration manager, track OTA software parts number. Delivery for scoping time. I don't like how you write it. The way you write your resume was incorrect and doesn't look like product manager resume. Even if you have done something good, such as whatever delivery and do a software update, different stuff. You have done something in Jira, which is good. You have done something related to PM, but the way you write your resume is not good at all. Okay, sorry if I'm being very transparent with you. It just is not good at all. Okay, so it's, first of all, you wrote something that's irrelevant to PM, like this, the top one. So the most important thing is, it's okay. We're all transitioning into PM. 91% people transition into PM. That's no problem. Okay, so it's totally okay. You're doing this. Okay, but you have other things, design verification plan that's related to product management. But the way you structure was incorrect. So let me give you example. So for example, so software development meetings and manage Jira backlog prioritizing with stakeholders. Okay, so this should be rewritten in the following manner. For example, you can say, draw product roadmap and prioritize product features on the roadmap using agile methodology in collaboration with 20 software engineers. Something like that. The way you write it doesn't sound like what product manager will be doing. Okay, the time, for example, the requirement, if you wrote requirement, yeah, you directly say, wrote product requirement of ABCD product, make it very clear, right? So you have done something similar. The way you write it is extremely complex. And it's not how product manager write in general. Okay, same thing as anything else. You also have so many years of experience. I would recommend you either package your past experience into PM, or you can kill those kind of irrelevant experience, or you only have one bullet point under irrelevant experience. There's so much random stuff that's not PM. And you also made a mistake in terms of aging yourself, okay? You have done so much things that's nothing to do with PM. You also show that you are much older than other people because you started working a long time ago. Okay, this is very dangerous, to be frank. Age discrimination is true in some companies, not in all companies. Now people are like, oh, this person has been working for a really, really long time. She has done most of the things, has nothing to do with PM. And you're literally shooting yourself in the foot. Okay, you should rewrite your resume completely and cut up lots of things that's irrelevant to PM. And do not write 4 pages resume. I'm a director. I only have 1 page resume. Okay, this resume is completely rewritten starting from day one. Okay. Now, Mihai, and yeah, you didn't tell me when did you attend the master class. Reply to email, let me know when. Cool. Let me know when. We prioritize people attending masterclass. So menu, attach resume, the masterclass registered for today, November 1st. Okay, cool. Maju, let me open your resume. Okay, right here. Per manager, 3 years and 7 months. TCON, growth in revenue by 10%. What is this? Why there's no title? Why your job has no title? This should be basic job title. And you also made it wrong. You shouldn't calculate total years. You should make it very clear regarding which year to which year. This is completely wrong format. This 3 years, 7 months. You grew so much to take it on. Leading a team of advisors, collaborators, multiple analysts available data. Sounds like analyst role. First of all, there's no title, which is very weird. And second, sounds like analyst role. We don't know what exactly you did related to PM, and you did something related to requirement, but the way you write it was incorrect regarding requirement. For example, you can directly wrote part of requirements of ABCD product and turn customer needs into client-facing requirements. You can describe that way, okay? The way you describe it is so non-PM. Clearly, you're not a PM. And you should move all the keywords up front, and you talk about something irrelevant, and then you mention some PM keywords. It's very and for the rest of your resume. Okay, so now the main problem is you don't have a title, you don't have all the format itself is incorrect. Let me show you the right format. Let me go here. Let me go here, show you the right format. Hold on, let me go to my YouTube channel. Hey, sorry, it should be a different one. This one. Okay, let me go here. So the right format writing a resume should be the following. Let me go to your channel right here. Okay, the format should be following. Let me find my resume playlist. Okay, right here, the resume playlist. The format of your resume should look like this. Let's open this up. Let me look at, so basically go to this video, which will break down what you say on your resume. Okay, go here, and then the most important thing is the following. You can download the resume template, which show you the exact format, and the link is in the description of this video, and this video also give you the breakdown what the format look like, which I need to locate the exact timestamp, which once you watch here, this video, which give you the more detailed timestamp and description what you can do. Okay, so watch this video with more detail there, and then in the description, you can directly click this link and find out the right resume template. Okay, so let me share this. The format, everything was so incorrect. Let me share this in the link in both YouTube and LinkedIn. Okay, so now let me go to next one. Let me go to next one. Harry, and same thing. You send me your resume without telling me when did you register for the master class. Let me know. I need to go through the priorities first. Lee, and you have been working for e-commerce for 20 years. Reply to email and let me know when did you register for the master class. Okay, we'll save all the resumes towards the end. And for people who didn't attend, for one who attend, we can review right now. So, Swan now, so you attend back in June this year. Awesome. So let's do this. Let me share my screen and see what's wrong with your resume. Okay, here's a resume. And by the way, what is masterclass for people who join late? Right here, go to docnancy.com, which is my right here, docnancy.com. Once you get here on the homepage, is a button. You can click the button, go to our masterclass or docnancy.com/masterclass. Just come here. We prioritize people who attend the masterclass because during the masterclass, we teach you how to create a product portfolio in 2 weeks, even if you were laid off or you have no PM experience at all. So by the end of the masterclass, you will know what product portfolio to create, what tools, sample product portfolio, everything you need and to start all your job hunting journey using product portfolio. And also before you come in, we want you to have your resume ready. That's why we provide free resume review for people who attend the masterclass. Okay. So if you have attended, let me know so that you get priorities. We have limited time, so want to make sure that you guys are good to go for your upcoming masterclass called industry experience, technical product manager. What's going on? Why only one bullet point about technical product manager? How weird is that? You are technical product manager, you only have one bullet point? This need to be spread out significantly. And surprisingly, you write so much about your software engineering experience and less about product management experience, even if you work on product management experience for a while. So weird. By the way, people don't care about title anymore. Companies, because you're competing with other Google layout PMs and Meta layout PMs. So why on earth Microsoft means anything, especially your software engineer Microsoft, you're not product manager Microsoft. We want to see experience, even if you work for some like startups as a product manager is way more better than you are software engineer Microsoft. Okay. So now even if my software engineer Microsoft, you still did it incorrectly for experience Microsoft. For example, when you're Microsoft, did you work in agile methodology? I bet you have. Okay. If you work on agile methodology, you should write a key bullet point up front, talk about working a cross-functional team of 20 engineers using agile methodology to develop ABCD product, right? So in this process, did you propose product feature? You may not be the one who drive product, the roadmap, but did you propose product features? If so, you should say, propose product features leading to like a roadmap update for ABCD product, leading to what kind of impact you had. You had some impact, but everything yourself you did in the past, you didn't talk about how much it relate to product management. That's a key problem for your resume. The biggest problem is you have being a product manager, how come you only write one bullet point over there, which means that you're not confident about your past experience as a PM. So I don't think this resume can land any product manager job at all. Okay. Unless your dad is Donald Trump, that's a different story. Okay. And there's other people landing jobs through family connections. That's a different story. Okay. And let me bring next one. Enough. I got your resume, but you didn't know when did you register for the master class. So please reply to the email. Let me know when so that we know which one we can prioritize. Okay. So let me do this. Let me also share information for people to submit your resume. For people who join late, don't know where to submit. Okay. Right here. Right here. So go to, when I'm not live, you email my team at info@pmaccelerator.io, okay? And she's going to send you a Zoom link to join me on Zoom. And when I am live, you go nancy@drnancylee.com, okay? So email your resume, and your email title should be resume review and the date you registered for the masterclass, okay? That's very straightforward, so we know which one we can prioritize today, okay? Cool, right here. So let me slow down. Let me go back here. Now let me pull up the resume. Again. You joined in April. Cool, that's Mihai. Okay. You joined in April. You still haven't landed a job yet? Did you have your product portfolio ready? What's going on? Did you work on the strategies I told you? Did you actually try to gain PM experience? Or if you're layoff, let me see your layoff PM or non-layoff PM. Oh, are you layoff PM? You already have PM experience and you're still not able to land a job since April? What's going on? Okay. Let me see. What's wrong with your resume? I don't like the layout at all. You're wasting space. You're literally like wasting space for random stuff that's not adding value. And you're also running out of space. You only have 2 bullet points per work experience, saying that you are a lead as a product manager. This resume needs to be completely rewritten. Now I know why from April until now you haven't landed a job yet. Same thing. This resume is needs to be completely rewritten. What the heck? Okay, so here's what you do. Okay. Remove everything that's irrelevant down here. They say change the format completely. And then most importantly, how you write your experience as a product manager is very wrong. Okay, so for example, as a product manager, if you're a lead product manager, you should say a lot regarding creating product strategy, go-to-market strategy, product vision, drive roadmap. I don't see anything here. You didn't even talk about writing requirement either in your job, in your description here. This resume needs to be completely rewritten and put it here. Why even highlight this? Whatever learning as Marvin will be something so important than your product management experience, which is not important compared with this, and then you should give more space here on top of your experience. So that's totally mismatched regarding you already have PM experience, but didn't leverage your experience well enough. Okay, so that's the main problem. Okay, cool. Now, okay, so now give people an overview regarding people's resume. Okay. In summary, regardless you have experience or no experience, if you have no experience, you need to repackage past experience to make it more PM focused. If you have PM experience, you must go back to write your product manager resume in a way that demonstrating you have product leadership, you have aligned product vision, design go-to-market strategy, and all of this are very, very, very important for everybody who is in the process of upgrading your career. For someone who's already a senior product manager, or for someone who want to break into product management. Okay, I have seen people, what a waste of opportunities. You are a senior product manager and then you don't know how to write your experience and you land no interviews at all. What a waste of opportunities. But of course, for people who want to break in, you need to use different methodology. So both of you guys need the product portfolio. Okay, so that's a main problem. Let me also show you the template people need to check it out. Oh, this is great. So right here. Okay, so in this video, that's what I mean, the template and style of writing. If you write, for example, the way people should have been written their actions should be the following: interview customers and study market trends. So understand the needs and convert them into actionable engineering facing user stories, prioritize user stories and requirements, right? So you should write it this way instead of lots of you guys writing a very weird way. Okay, go to this video. Product manager resume tips with no experience. Go to my YouTube channel, which there's a playlist of product manager resumes. You should come here and study. Okay, and then go and in the link in the description, there's a link. You can directly download our resume template. Many of you guys use the wrong resume template, which is it just doesn't really highlight the right information. Okay. Can you please provide feedback? Arnav, I got your email. We prioritize people who already registered for the masterclass because they are the ones who receive free bonuses for resume review, and also they can directly create a portfolio with me live, okay, on the masterclass. So let me go through other people's resume first. You have extra time, we can review other people as well. If you register for the masterclass, you should just let me know which day you register. So what is masterclass? Okay, so let me review this again. Just go to darknessly.com homepage, and then let me show you. Go to the homepage. You can go to darknessly.com homepage. Go to darknessly.com. This is our homepage. Okay. Then you click here. The button in the first big button and where you land the masterclass. If you already attended, just let me know the day so you get prioritized. Okay. So right here. Now let me pull up other people's resume. Let me do this. Hurry, let me review your resume. Oh my goodness. This resume should also be rewritten as well. Let me share you my screen. Let me show you my screen. Hold on one sec. Harry has. But people, please use a template I gave you guys. Go here, darknessly.com/PM resume, and there's a template. Description of this video also has template. First of all, basic. People, please use a template. This is why you lay out your resume like this. So weird. Now let's see how you write about your experience as a technical product manager. First of all, this one is too long. You should highlight whatever achievement you have instead of write a 5-page, whatever. 6 lines of block of responsibility. That's not good. Okay, so now the tense of how you write, the sentence structure was also incorrect. You shouldn't say as a product manager, directly use a verb action, what action you did. And you give, or your resume, this bullet point is extremely long. Nobody will read it anyway. And same thing. Anything, if you're already product manager, how come in your description has nothing to do with writing requirements, drive roadmap, prioritize product features, align product create, product strategy, and align product vision, everything's missing. So as a product manager for almost 2 years or 1 year, and then you're also product manager for another company. And you're also product owner for another company. So you have been in product management space for almost 8 years. And then the way you write it is still not talking about what you are actually doing as a PM, which is very weird. Okay, so maybe they give you a fake title. You're not really doing PM job, maybe analyst job. I don't know. You need to rewrite your resume completely. This is very weird. And you have 5 pages resume. As a director, only have 1 page of resume. Okay, everything to be rewritten big time. Come to this YouTube video. Okay, just go to my YouTube channel. There's a playlist regarding product manager resume tips, and one of the video will talk about tips with no experience, or even this is applicable for people with experience as well. So this needs to be completely rewritten. Okay, to see how we write resumes in our format and style. Okay. Enough. Oh, you registered for June masterclass. Okay, cool. Let me bring this up. Your resume. Oh, so let me see this. Assistant product manager. Okay. Half of the resume need to be rewritten. For example, you launch a product. This is great. Conduct user research. This is great. Now, other things is not very PM focused. For example, this one can be achievement. You did something that's achievement, that's no problem. But you also did others. If those are achievements, it's not PM roles and responsibilities. You can put them into achievement, and then you can talk about exactly what you did as a assistant PM. For example, writing requirement, driving roadmap, and those are missing. This one is good. You talk about launching a product, which is also PM activities people need to do, but everything else, you don't have it. You need to redo it as soon as possible. Okay, so now, yeah, that's the main thing. You mix the achievement and responsibilities. So that's why your resume is very hard to read, and people do not know why exactly applying for the job, why you could fit. Okay, cool. So that's the main reason. And Leah, let me see your resume. You say you have 20 years experience. Can you still become a PM? Yes, you can. We have, you are doing digital commerce director, senior BI analyst. Those are relevant to PM. You've been working on this thing for a very long time. Yes, you can. My oldest student is 57 years old. Rating for teams under digital, excellent in-depth knowledge. Okay, we need to rewrite your resume. It's Lee, yeah. Lee, we need to rewrite your resume, but I do believe that you can become a PM. You have done lots of digital stuff and also BI stuff, which including your past experience, you must have done like the metrics, product metrics and KPI to improve some product. And you also should have working a cross-functional team to create certain type of products. So all of those are relevant experience. You didn't write it well, completely incorrect, which is also weird. How come you have this one work experience, you talk about roles, responsibilities, and you have such a long achievements? You should only pick maybe top 3 achievement and then spend more time talking about the roles responsibility, which you don't need to make anything more than this. You have enough information you can put here for your roles and responsibility. You don't need to write more. You actually need to cut it shorter, only talk about things that are relevant to PM. That's the main problem for your resume. And your resume is also ridiculously long, not using the template. Everyone, please use the right template. So here, link in the description of this video, there's we can click and go to this website, use the right template. People do not even start with the right template. That's a problem. Okay. Cool. Let me see another person's resume. Hold on. I think I finished everyone's resume already. If I haven't, comment on the chat. I believe I finished everyone's resume. If I haven't, comment on the chat. I think I did. If I missed your resume, comment on the chat as well. Yeah, I believe I finished everyone's resume. Okay, cool. In that case, let me just do live Q&A. See any questions you have, putting on the chat. If I miss your resume, come on the chat as well, but I believe I finished it. Cool, nice. Okay. Sahel, you sent yours. You sent me a resume. I didn't see it. What's your email? I can search right now. Put in the chat what's your email. I don't think I see your resume. I don't think I see your resume. You just send it. Put your email in the chat. I can search right now. Probably went to spam folder or something. Let me see. Put your email in the chat and I can pull you up and do a quick search. Okay, now let me see any other live questions we have. No, we're good. We answered all the questions. Okay, cool. We answered all the questions, also reviewed all the resumes, except the ones went to spam folder. If yours went to spam folder, give me your email right now. Put your email in the chat, I can search right now. Do that within 1 minute because we answered all the questions. If you haven't, put your email and in the chat, you should do it ASAP. We have 1 minute to go. And at the same time, let's do this. Let me review some free training for you guys when we're waiting for people putting their email address. So I can search. Let me come here. Let me share my screen right here. Okay, so I highly recommend everybody you go through all those 4 videos. We are talking about every aspect of product management resume. 1, 2, 3. Go through this one by one. Okay, people literally landing those interviews just using our strategies, and even this one. For example, I have someone directly commented, very exciting. Did someone just say they land the interview using this template? This cool. See, Jojo 4 days ago saying that right here. I used a template and it got me through the recruiter call. Yes, just use it effectively and follow exactly how I teach you in the YouTube videos. Lots of people just directly land those PM interviews by using the strategies we help them. Okay, just follow this. Yeah, which is in this playlist, and you guys have everything you need to write your perfect product manager resume. And also make sure to give this video a like. And then so that more people will discover this, and also share this video with any aspiring product managers. Okay, so each of this video, you can, in the description, you can download this resume template and use it effectively. Okay, everybody, a lot of people use it, but now today when I see most of resumes, half of them didn't even cover the basics I talk about in those videos. Okay, that's the biggest problem most people are facing right now. Okay, cool. Okay, so now for people who already registered for the masterclass, get ready for your resume review. We review all of your resume today, and also get ready to have your product portfolio ready. We're going to show you the tools where you can find project to do a product portfolio, and 2 different examples product portfolio with screenshot and breakdown and what to include in your product portfolio, all covered in our live masterclass. Go to documentc.com and /masterclass, and you can also, it's also in the link in the description. You can just directly come here. Okay, everything is all set for you guys to continue to grow your PM career. Okay, so now let me see. Oh, I just got your resume. Sahil, you just emailed me your resume. Pay and tell me when did you register for the masterclass. I also received another person's resume. And Pay, let me know when did you register for the masterclass. We prioritize people who register for the masterclass. Okay. Sahil, let me review yours right now. Okay, you can comment and you can email me regarding when did you register for the masterclass. One we have already at the same multiple times. When people register for the masterclass, we want them to have your resume review ready and have your product. Then you're ready to create your product portfolio, right? During the masterclass, and then you're ready to excel in your career. Oh, you're graduating in December. That's very tight. Do you have any interview opportunities now? Brand ambassador. Huh? Huh? Dude, that's so weird. Oh, this resume need to be rewritten completely. Okay, so brand ambassador has nothing to do with PM. You either talk about how much you help with go-to-market strategy, or you minimize this session. I will create a product portfolio. Okay, make product portfolio as part of the experience, because this has nothing to do with PM unless you can write it regarding go-to-market strategy. For this digital experience strategist, this has something to do with PM. Okay, for this one has something to do with PM. You only talk about whatever engagement, different things. You didn't talk about how much, for example, have you done voice the customer interview when you create those strategies. If so, you should write it in your responsibilities. Okay, and I think this experience be rewritten. This experience needs to be rewritten. Majority of this resume needs to be rewritten completely. Okay, you're very tight. Your timing is very tight. Gradually in December, you better to rewrite your resume completely. Okay. Cool. Let me review this resume very quickly. So And hey, I got your resume. So you said your product manager at TikTok, you've been working there for almost 2 years, more than 2 years. Now you're leaving the company, doing payment, end-to-end product management, and define product vision, roadmap, collaborates with cross-functional teams, organizes the whatever partnership, and I see in general you have PM experience already. This is great. Why you couldn't land a job? Let me ask you why you couldn't land a job even you work for TikTok. Is the competition too strong? Interesting. So why you couldn't land a job? You already have so many years experience. And you need to evaluate. I think you need some end-to-end evaluation, understanding what's wrong with your entire package. I also do not like the layout of your resume. Yeah, I think some of the style of layout need to be changed. But in general, you have PM experience. So I don't understand why you couldn't land a job. And if you couldn't land a job, something's wrong with your LinkedIn profile, something wrong with your networking strategies, and also something's wrong with how you create your product portfolio. Okay, so people who do not have PM experience still couldn't stand out from the competition. It's other packaging is missing. Okay, cool. Now we have done all the resume review. Okay, great, cool. All right, if you find this video thanks useful, hit the like button and also share this video, the free training, with any aspiring product managers or existing product manager who had years of experience still couldn't land the PM job. Something very wrong in their profile or any packaging out there. Okay, so feel free to come here. And next week we have another very exciting event. Next week we have the AI product management training series. Is also next Wednesday at noon 12 p.m. EST. Okay, we have someone who specializes in AI product managers, train people on AI product management. This is very exciting. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna talk to you soon in my next live training, and like this and share this with any product managers and aspiring product managers out there. Best of luck with everybody. This is Dr. Nancy. Talk to you soon. If you already registered for the masterclass, I'm gonna see you in our training. Okay, get your product portfolio ready. Go here, drnancy.com, and learn more. Awesome. Cool.